If you've ever wanted to turn a regular photo into a clean pencil drawing effect in GIMP, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that creates that sketch-style look with just a few tools. It's a great effect for portraits, thumbnails, concept art, or any image you want to give a hand-drawn feel. And best of all, you can do it right inside GIMP without needing any expensive software. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Let's jump into it. First, open your image in GIMP and duplicate the layer twice. You can do that quickly by pressing Shift, Ctrl, and D, and then pressing it again so you have two copies above the original. This is important because we're going to build the pencil effect using multiple layers, and duplicating gives us more control over the final result. Next, select the top two layers and desaturate them. To do that, go to Colors, then Desaturate, and choose Desaturate. This removes the color and converts those layers into black and white, which is the base of the sketch effect. Now select the topmost layer only, then go back to Colors and click Invert. This flips the tones and prepares the layer for the blending step. After that, change the layer mode from the Mode dropdown to Dodge. As soon as you do this, the image will start to look very different, and that's exactly what we want. The next step is to go to Filters, then Blur, then Gaussian Blur. Apply the blur to that top layer and slowly raise the slider until the pencil lines begin to appear. The amount of blur you use will depend on your image, so take your time and watch how the sketch develops as you adjust it. Usually, a little experimentation goes a long way here. If the effect looks too faint, don't worry. You can make the sketch darker and more defined by merging your top two sketch layers together. Once they're merged, go to Colors again and open Levels. In the Levels panel, drag the dark triangle in the midtone triangle underneath the histogram toward the right. This deepens the shadows and makes the pencil lines much more crisp and visible. You'll notice the drawing effect becomes stronger, with better contrast and more definition. If needed, you can fine-tune the result a little more by adjusting levels until it looks just right for your image. A small change can make a big difference, especially if you want a softer sketch or a bold graphite-style look. And that's it. You've created a pencil drawing effect in GIMP using a few simple steps. This is one of those techniques that looks impressive, but is actually very easy once you know the process. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, photo editing tips, and beginner-friendly design lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.